In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make image transparent in LibreOffice. If you want to soften an image, create a watermark style effect, or make a picture blend more smoothly with the text on your page, adjusting transparency in LibreOffice Writer is a quick and useful tool to know. The good news is that this can be done directly inside your document, and the change appears right away so you can easily fine-tune the result. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Make sure the document containing your image is on screen and ready to edit. Once your file is open, click on the image you want to adjust. This step is important because LibreOffice needs the image to be selected before it shows the editing options related to that object. When the image is selected, you should see that it's active and ready for changes. Next, check whether the properties sidebar is visible. If you don't currently see it on the side of the LibreOffice window, go up to the top menu bar, click View, and then choose Sidebar. This opens the sidebar area, which gives you access to settings for the selected item. If you're following along and nothing seems to change at first, just make sure your image is still selected, since the available settings depend on what you've clicked. From the sidebar, find and click Properties, so the Properties panel opens. In that panel, look for the transparency setting. You'll see a field where you can adjust the transparency percentage. This is the control that determines how solid or how see-through the image appears. A value of 0% means the image is fully opaque, so it will appear completely solid with no transparency applied. A value of 100% means the image is fully transparent, which makes it effectively invisible. Most of the time, you'll probably want something in between, depending on the effect you're going for. For example, a lower percentage keeps the image more visible, while a higher percentage creates a lighter, more subtle appearance. As soon as you change the transparency percentage, the image updates immediately. That instant preview makes it easy to keep adjusting until it looks the way you want in the document. If needed, you can try a few different values to find the right balance between visibility and transparency. And that's it. That's how to make an image transparent in LibreOffice Writer.